See? Saan? Where? Ay, sa bahay nyo. Kaya na style yon? Oo nga eh. Mas ang laki niyang tingnan sa labas. Guys, Chabs.
Hello.
Hi!
Hello,
First time din ni Jobs dito sa taas. What are you doing?
Hello.
Taking a video of me behind my back. Hello.
Masasabi mo?
Good.
Sabi mo, baka mausog tayo dito.
As you can see,
Wala tayong
somewhere
luya.
there, the white
Santa Cruz
line,
Island.
Santa Cruz Island,
Yan ang mga notification.
pier. This is the, hindi tinuturo na.
Sa'yo.
Saan na ba yun? I could, this the boat area, that's the port. This is called Paseo, as you can see the line. Paseo. The Christmas tree need to get off because it's finished already. The Three Kings are done. That's the hotel we're supposed to stay, but
Diba?
hello.
Saan?
Yan, that one. But we didn't decided not to go.
Yeah.
Kasi malapit din pala siya sa Paseo. Then that would be, ano yung ito?
Central Bank.
Central Bank. And this is the museum. This is the part of the museum. They're under construction right now. And there I could see some mountains. And as you can see, we're in the top. All the way down. This is where the, yeah, Spanish military ba tawag sa kanila? Oopsie, Spanish people.
Spanish bread.
So, yeah. The museum, which we're not allowed to go inside because why? Canyon ba yan, Dad? Oh, yes, a canyon. Oo nga, no? Purple.
No, hindi natatata. Ito yan, no?
Ito yan.
No, hindi. Oo, ganun man talaga.
Ganyan talaga ginawa nila kanya.
Tag-fiver na. Fiver?
Hindi, canyon siya, Dad.
Fiver na ba? Fiver na.
Ano yung gawa lang nila?
Fiver na.
Okay.
Ninakaw na nila. Ninakaw na nila.
Saan? That's Daddy's school?
Diyan nag-aral si Warner.
And that one too? Isn't it?
Ito yung ng rooftop dati.
Okay.